the soundstage as a place where we decide to recreate a studio shoot.
Where we make all kinds of movies.
Quand on l'a vu en storyboard, on a tout de suite transpiré. On s'est dit, waouh, ça va être compliqué.
Quand on l'a vu en layout, on a tout de suite transpiré.
We try to push everything in this shot.
Well, it was always designed to show the whole filmmaking process sort of from start to finish in one shot.
It's made out of many smaller sets, subsets.
So it starts with showing an actor taking their position.
Hello, George.
Hey, Sam.
Et donc voilà ce que ça donne avec, en haut à gauche, on a le storyboard d'origine. Ici, on retrouve le layout qu'on a mis en place.
There's even a little bit where you get to see film editors working, which is basically the end of the process, and then of course someone popping a champagne bottle saying, "We're done, it's a wrap."
Congratulations, everyone!
It's a love letter to cinema, for sure.
By just this screenshot, we wanted to show everything that was magical about that time and show that James was inspired by it to make whatever movie he's going to be making next.
Fantastico!
It is fantastical. It's exciting, isn't it?